Looking at the 15-minute time frame on the ES, we have a typical slider bottom here. Equal leg, we have a little slide here, then we have another equal leg. Hence, the bottom is right here, and the top is right here. How do you trade the fractal? Well, we begin with the bottom here. For now. Okay. So what you want to do, you want to go long after you get a little break. Number one. Number two, you need a hedge stop below the bottom here. That hedge will take you out of the long and put you into a trade going down. Okay. Now, if we go above the top here, you could enter going long, number one. Number two, you would have a buy stop times 2 here as a hedge. That will take you out of the long and put you in a trade going down. So what we're doing here, we're mapping the market on all the time frames. Again, very important. Okay, you need to go through all the time frames. All right, because during the day you may find another fractal. If you're new, wait for a clearly defined fractal here that you can find in our fractal container, and or go to Neil's channel and he'll point these fractals out for you. So if you're trading every day, by now I would think you would remember a few simple fractals. Very simple trade. Okay. Again, you can do this on any market. Okay, on any market. Some of my favorite markets are right here, but they change from day to day. Okay. And you have more opportunities here. Okay. Guaranteed you'll find a fractal on one of these markets. Guaranteed. 100%. Okay. The key is you need to know the similar fractals and the semi-quasi-fractal. Okay. We'll teach that in our course, which is still in development. I'm working on my book and doing videos. I'll probably be posting a little bit less here, and Neil's going to take over the ship. He's the skipper right now, and what I'm trying to do is make this as easy as possible. You go to the container, number one, you find a fractal that matches what's in the container to the current market here. Right now we have a slider bottom, meaning going up. No guarantee it's going to go up. That's why you have to be careful on how you place your orders. And you always use the hedge stop. Of course, you can use a hard stop here too for the bottom and the top. Okay, all depending on your risk, your account size, etc. Okay, but every day throughout the trading day, you're going to find a simple fractal. Again, where do you find the fractal? It's in our container, and you go to Neil. All right. Once you find a match, you do the setup. You have an entry point. You have a stop hedge or buy hedge. Okay, and you have, more importantly, a target to exit the trade. All right. So if you made 16, 18 points, take it. All right, don't wait for 100. It's not going to happen. Well, sometimes it will. But all we're doing, we're day trading here, trying to earn a few bucks every day. Okay, and all you have to do is follow the picture, match them from the container to what's going on currently, and you have a trade set up. Okay, trading is all about probabilities here. You have to be aware of that fact. I'm sure you are. So, again, how to execute a simple fractal trade on any market and on any time frame. You have opportunities here galore. Okay? So if you're unhappy with the EES, okay, well, you can move to corn and find out what's going on. All right? And here you can go through the time frames to find a fractal. Okay, that's why you need all the time frames. Okay, this is very typical of a bottom here. Scalping, if you're really quick in and out, you have opportunities guaranteed every day. Okay, even on a 3-minute time frame. All right. Oh, here's one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the bottom here. Okay. So again, opportunities galore every day. When you're trading, you want to bet small, and you take your winnings small too. All right. Again, you're not looking for a home run. We're trying to make 100, 200 bucks, maybe 500 bucks if we're lucky. It's all probability. And if you do one setup trade a day, you're probably going to have a pretty good week. Okay. Again, depending on your account size and the amount of risk you're willing to take. Okay. So today we have another fractal, and we'll find out what happens. In fact, we can go to any market and find a. How about corn? We can look at corn too, right? And again, you have to go through time frames to find the fractals. If you have no fractal, all right? Okay. This is chaos. You can't do anything, all right? You need to wait and be patient until a fractal appears. Hank Wernicke from ElliottFractals.com, signing off.